Assalamualaikum dear students. We are going to start from the question number 6 today. Exercise 1.4. The question is all about the radical equation and we have learned that, let me recap. Radical equations are those in which radical sign is involved, number 1. Number 2 is the thing when we take the square of it just to cancel the square or cube root, then extraneous root exists over there. And at the last, it is quite important to check by putting the roots in the original equation so that we know that which roots are actually the solution of the equation and which are the extraneous solution, right? So coming up with the question number 6 here, we have square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 2 is equal to square root of x plus 6, right? Starting up here by taking square on both sides. So we have the squaring both sides will give us what? It's square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 2 whole square, that is equal to square root of x plus 6 whole square. Okay, taking square and root cancel because this is the only one term there. We are left as the answer x plus 6, but here we have this term is a and this term is b. So by applying the formula for a plus b whole square, we are having a plus b yani x plus 1 whole square plus square root of b square x minus 2 whole square plus 2a under root of x plus 1 b under root of x minus 2. Okay, square and roots are cancelled. We are left as x plus 1 plus x minus 2 plus 2, इन दोनों को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर दें. स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x मल्टीप्लाई करें तो आपके पास आएगा x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x. अब प्लस 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें तो प्लस 1x माइनस 2 1 जा 2, दैट इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 6. x plus x, when they both will be added, it will become 2x plus 1 minus 2 will become minus 2 1 plus 2 times square root of x square minus 2 plus 1 will become minus 1x or simply minus x minus 2, that is equal to x plus 6. इसको उधर लेकर जाएं या इसको उधर ले जाएं, up to you. We have 2x minus x minus 1 minus 6, that is equal to 2 times what? It's x square minus x minus 2, right? 2x minus x will give us the situation. It's x minus 1 minus 6 will give you minus 7, that is equal to 2 times square root of x square minus x minus 2, right? So it's x minus 7, it's 2 times square root of x square minus x minus 2. Still the square is not completely resolved, so I have to take again square on both sides. तो हमारे पास क्या सिचुएशन आएगी? इट्स x माइनस 7 होल स्क्वायर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 टाइम्स x स्क्वायर माइनस x माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर, राइट? सो अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला हियर, a स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस b स्क्वायर. सो वी हैव a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. यहाँ पर देखिए आई एम हैविंग द टू टर्म्स, तो दोनों का स्क्वायर आएगा, 2 स्क्वायर सेपरेट and x square minus x minus 2 whole square will be separated. Cancel them up. It's x square, 7 7s are 49, 2 7s are, it's 14x, that is equal to 2 2s are 4. Square and roots are cancelled. I am left as x square minus x minus 2. Solve it. It's x square plus 49 minus 14x, that is equal to, simplify it, it's 4x square minus 4x minus 4 2s are 8. Now shift all the values towards the right side or towards the left side, it's up to you. In both cases you have to take the negative sign common, otherwise you may solve it directly as well, right? If I shift it to the other side, it would be 4x square minus x square, it would be minus 4x plus 14x, it would be minus 8 minus 49. I am left as the answer 4x square minus x square, that is equal to 3x square. 14 minus 4, that is plus 10x minus 8 minus 49. That will become minus 57. So I'm having 0 is equal to 3x square plus 10x minus 57. That is equal to 0. In other words, what I am going to do, or I can write it in standard form, 3x square plus 10x minus 57 is equal to 0. You can solve it by the method of quadratic formula, or we can do its factorization by splitting its midterm. Up to you that which value you find the easier one. So if we can solve it by factorization, फैक्टर बनाने आसान लग रहे हैं, फैक्टर बना लें. क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला यूज करना आसान लग रहा है, क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला यूज कर लें. फॉर क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला वी हैव a इज इक्वल टू 3, b इज इक्वल टू 10, c इज इक्वल टू minus 57, right? So what I am going to have that x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. तो सॉल्व करें तो minus 10 plus minus 10 square minus 4, a is 3, c is minus 57 divided by its 2 times 3, and we have x is equal to minus 10 plus minus 10 tens are it's 100 divided by 2 3s are 6 minus minus plus okay. So 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 57 will give me the answer 684 plus 100. It will become how much? 784 divided by 6. Taking square root of 784, it will give you 28 divided by 6. Solve it. It's minus 10 minus 28 by 6. And x is equal to minus 10 plus 28 divided by 6. So we have the answer x is equal to minus 10 minus 28. It's minus 38 divided by 6. Do the cancellation. It's 2 19s and 2 3s. Cancel करेंगे. So we are having this situation. The second root we are going to have is 28 minus 10, that is 18 by 6. Cancellation करें. So we are left as the answer x is equal to 3. The two possible answers are x is equal to minus 19 by 3 and x is equal to 3. Okay, अगर आप इसके फैक्टर्स भी बनाएंगे तो आपके पास इसके फैक्टर्स बनेंगे 19 और 9, minus 9 or plus 19. They would be the factors for it. Okay, done. I have solved the x for the two answers. I got minus 19 by 3 and x is equal to 3. Okay, coming up, it's checking now, right? Let me check that which root is the extraneous one. ठीक है, सबसे पहले हम चेकिंग करते हैं. For the checking, I have the question. ठीक है, that is square root of x plus 1, फिर plus square root of x minus 2, that is equal to square root of x plus 6. सबसे पहले मैं इसे x is equal to 3 पे चेकिंग करती हूँ. I have less space over here. So 3 पर चेक करें तो आपके पास आएगा 3 plus 1, फिर 3 minus 2, that is equal to square root of 3 plus 6. 3 plus 1 will give you the answer 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Okay. 3 minus 2 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. On the other side, check it out. 6 plus 3 makes 9. And the square root of 9 is equal to 3. The both sides are left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means x is equal to 3 is the solution for the equation. Okay. Now we do the checking for this in the next. ठीक है, इस मकसद के लिए what I need to do, अब इस टाइम पर मुझे क्या पुट करना है, पुट x is equal to minus 19 by 3. The situation will become minus 19 by 3 plus 1, again minus 19 by 3 minus 2, again minus 19 by 3 plus 6. Okay, सिंप्लीफाई हम करते हैं इसको, -19 प्लस 3 1 से 3/3, देन वी हैव -19 minus 6/3, then we have -19 plus 18 divided by 3. That will become again, that is -1/3. Here we have -19 minus 6, it's -25 divided by 3, and it's -16 divided by 3. Okay, first thing is this, that these values cannot make 1/3. Second thing is this, that square root of -1, okay, that will become the complex root. It would not be the real root, right? While in the quadratic equation we have that the roots belongs to the set of real numbers, right? So for that purpose, what we are going to have, which is not possible, okay, so what we are going to have, that is -19/3 is extraneous solution. So we have in the solution set, that is 3.